Okay, so let's take a look at the chart of gold. Should you buy gold here, or are we selling off? And is there a better price point to buy purchase gold? So most recently we had really this price action is really not good price action. Notice we broke out from this range right here, and then we went up, and then we immediately crashed down, come back down to 23.49. We go back up, we come back down. So this is not really a good indication of a solid price movement. And then we were anticipating gold to go up to 25.80. It comes short 10 points, and then now we're seeing a sell signal on gold. Actually, it happened yesterday on a 4-hour chart, and the price closing below the white signal line, red candles, arrow, sentiment 2 and 3, both bearish. So this doesn't look good for gold for now. I think the better price is going to be right around 2400, 2437 to 2400. Notice how gold actually, this was such a beautiful price action right here when it broke out. Notice how it just kept going on, and then slight pullback, and then it took off again to the upside. We had a lot of range right here, and then finally we broke out of this range. But then this range actually is coming back to retest this zone right here. So if you weren't careful, you're just basically breaking even from all this. So that's why you have to be careful on gold. And when the price action does this, you have to be careful. You have to be nimble. So if you're long on gold from anywhere from here, you want to protect your profit right here. You don't want to risk it for it to come back all the way down here. Actually, there will be a better opportunity to buy gold somewhere in the future if it especially comes back to about 2400. So that is the news on gold. I hope this helps, and I will see you at the next update. Take care.